Hello, what is up? In today's plug, I'm gonna teach you how to, of course, claim your NC token from this website to this website. So, of course, you have to go ahead to the Nodepay AI where you can see it in the Twitter. Or I'll just go ahead and put this link down below in the description box so you can go ahead and just click it. That's clean.nodefoundation.ai. Okay, so you don't want to go ahead and go to the other URLs or otherwise you're gonna get a scam. So once you click the link, you'll be redirected to this website, and then you connect the wallet. It's either you have your OKX wallet or your Phantom wallet, right? So you connect the wallet. Of course, mine is Phantom. For note that you don't need to put any sol in your Phantom because this is free. So you can connect this for free. As you can see, once connected, you will see your allocation. Mine is 306 because I started on season one. I didn't start on I started on season one and I did not start on season zero. So yeah, there you go. So claimable amount is zero NC. All right. So what you have to do is you go ahead and then claim off chain to SEX. Okay, so CX is centralized exchange, and you just have to enter your PokeX Solana deposit address. So for me, it's this one. All right. And then for the OKX Solana deposit address is this. You go ahead to your asset and then deposit and then find Solana. And then click OK, then copy, right? So anything you need to know, I put it in the description below so you don't miss out. And then you go back to this and then paste, all right? And then you agree, and then confirm. So there you go. So hopefully, you don't go to any other website. You might miss your tokens, and you might get scammed and many more. So there you go. I hope you like Livrio.